What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable Touch ID for App Store purchases on your Mac. First, you can find the Touch ID for purchases option in your system settings. Simply select your account name to access your Apple account preferences. From here, select the Media and Purchases option. This will allow you to enable or disable the Use Touch ID for Purchases option. Touch ID will not be available if your Mac's lid is closed, or if your keyboard simply doesn't support Touch ID. If this option is not available to you, then head over to the Touch ID and Password section of your settings. Here, make sure the Use Touch ID for purchases in iTunes Store, App Store and Apple Books option is enabled. In some cases, parental controls or content restrictions might prevent you from changing this option. To fix this, head over to the Screen Time settings. From here, select Content and Privacy and disable store restrictions, or at least make sure that the Allow in-app purchases option is enabled. If these settings look different on your Mac, then make sure you're running the latest macOS version. Head over to your General Settings. Here, select Software Update and download the latest macOS version available to you before restarting your Mac. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.